Hi, good morning. It's Paul. It is January 31st, 2019. Here to show you the update for the greater Las Vegas real estate market. Let's go into new listings here, see what we got going on. Let's see. We'll do some adjustments here, adjustments there. Okay, so since yesterday, got this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 960 square foot condo on the market. Okay, covered parking. It's a downstairs unit. It needs carpeting. It might be a foreclosure or something. Refrigerator's gone. Needs a little cleanup. It looks like the water has been shut off. Alright. Needs carpeting anyway. Color carpet. You know, some people do like that color carpet. Nice clean little place though. Gated. That's nice. Pool, spa. There we go. Tennis court. Wow. Nice. Let's see what it is here. Duck Creek, okay, $172 a month association dues, and yes, it is a bank owned. Okay, well, that's that one. 93,000. Then let's go down to top price of $765,000, 6,000 square foot, pool, spa. What do we got here? Interesting. Like a townhome almost. It's got RV parking there. It was a townhome and it was built, and then they just turned it into a single family home. That's why it's so big. Interesting here. Pool, spa. At least a pool back there. Nice staircases. Nice flooring. And there's your spa there in the pool. Nice grassy big lot. Needs a covered patio, but that's the only thing I see right off the bat. Yeah, see, it was a duplex. It would have been right down the middle. They just didn't put the sliding glass door over there. Solar. Okay. Let's see here. 4/10 of an acre lot, 17,000 square feet, 4-car attached garage. Built in '01. Interesting. Okay. I need a month HOA dues. Okay, so then we go into this manufactured home out of the area. We go to this Spencer Street, 2-bedroom, 1-bath townhome. No pictures. Oh yeah, 765. It is out there. Iron Mountain up in the northwest, okay? And then the other one is right there off of Boulder Highway in Whitney Ranch, okay? Spencer, Tropicana, Spencer. They're in Paradise right in the middle. No pictures, like I said. Let's get over to the next page. excuse me. There we go. Over here on Soaring Bird, 2.7 million. That was listed yesterday. I think we looked at this yesterday, maybe. I don't know. That view looked familiar, but we get a lot of properties with a view like that. Yeah, this is pretty nice. 2.7 million though. Interesting. Okay, Marble Ridge, Flamingo, okay, Summerlin area. South Summerlin. I think we did look at that one yesterday morning. Alright, well that's that for now. Sold 316. Actual close date. Okay, we have 31st, 2 of them that reported closed today, and then a bunch of them yesterday, 30th. Okay, so we had 87 closed between yesterday and today. What's the price point? Like 66 to 695. All right. Of course, we still have 530 under contract. Keeps going up, doesn't it? Alright, well that's almost 7.5 minutes. So I will talk to you tomorrow.